The Bacardi Cocktail is a classic rum-based cocktail known for its bright red color and tangy flavor. This refreshing drink became particularly popular during the Prohibition era. You will need the following ingredients: 2 ounces Bacardi Superior Rum, a light and versatile rum, specifically calling for Bacardi to represent the brand's influence. 1 ounce fresh lime juice. Always use fresh lime juice for the best flavor. Half an ounce Grenadine. Grenadine adds a touch of sweetness and its signature red color. For equipment you will need: cocktail shaker, strainer, chilled cocktail glass. Here are the instructions. Fill a cocktail shaker with ice. Add Bacardi Superior Rum, fresh lime juice, and Grenadine to the shaker. Shake well until the mixture is well chilled. Strain the mixture into a chilled cocktail glass. Garnish with a lime wheel or cherry if desired. The Bacardi cocktail became so popular that in 1936, Bacardi went to court to ensure that bartenders and customers used Bacardi rum specifically when making the drink, protecting the brand's reputation.